Justin with Texas Magnolia Home, and on my channel I do DIY projects, home decor hauls, and home renovation updates on our own personal fixer-upper here in South Texas. Now in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys some tips, tricks, and ideas on how to organize your pantry in a farmhouse style kind of way. Alright guys, let's get on into this video. Okay guys, so the first thing that we are going to do is clear out a space where we can store and organize all of our food. So I just took my countertop area by my coffee station and I'm just going to clear it off so I can put all my canned goods, chips, and etc. Guys, as you notice, our pantry is an absolute mess. When we moved into our house, we just kind of threw everything in there because we just didn't have any cute storage solutions and I didn't know what I was going to do. So what I'm doing is getting all my canned goods and I'm going to kind of take inventory of everything and check dates. Guys, this is a great time to go and check all of your dates, making sure that all of the food that you have is still good. If not, then you just need to go ahead and throw it away and take an inventory of what you have for your house and in your pantry. And this is pretty much what I have done here. So now that my pantry is completely empty, there's no reason that I shouldn't just go in with some 409 and a Mr. Clean magic eraser and clean everything up from anything that's broken off or any type of food that might have been pushed in a crack or a corner. Guys, I know we've only lived here for a few months, but it was already dirty. So basically I'm just giving everything a quick scrub, a quick clean, so we can go ahead and start on off with a fresh slate when we go to organize and kind of decorate our pantry. Okay, so first thing is first are these crates that I picked up from at home. Now when I was trying to figure out a solution on how to organize all my canned goods, I wanted to find something that would also break up against the white and look cute. So I found these at home. Now the cool thing about this is they can stack cans 2 cans back, and what this is going to allow us to do is keep better inventory of what we actually have in our pantry while looking cute in a farmhouse style kind of way. And you can flip them up and down, and that way you can have some vertical storage. This is like our sprays and then our pasta sauces, and then you have little bitty storage spaces up top for your smaller cans. I like how it's worked, and it's definitely a better solution than what we had, so we aren't overbuying our groceries. So the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is vertical space and spices. So what we did is we wanted to clean up all of our spices off of our shelf space. So what we did is got these magnetic strips from the Container Store and these magnetic containers and put them on either side of our cabinets. Now what this is going to do is obviously clean off shelf space, but it gets us a little bit more organized. And also at the Container Store you can pick up these, let me see if I can pick them up, these little stickers that have the names of each spice, so it keeps us organized and there's no guessing on what is what. So next let's talk clear plastic storage solutions. So all of these clear plastic containers that I'm showing you right here came from the Container Store. Now the reason I went with plastic instead of glass is because I didn't want to have to worry about the items that are in there getting moisture in them. So these are plastic, reusable, and I love them. So I have like extra toasted Cheez-Its here because I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Then some cereal, some pasta. Then down here I have flour, sugar, brown sugar, tea, popcorn, and rice. Now if you're noticing these cute little labels on here, it's actually Chalk Couture silkscreen reusable transfers that I sell. It's called the pantry set, and so I'm able to organize these. Now the cool thing about this is if I decide that, hey, I need more space for my brown sugar, I need to change it out with the popcorn behind it, all you have to do is wipe it off and reuse the reusable silkscreen transfers to get organized again. Next, let's talk about organizing our different oils and popcorn butter. So I picked these up from Bed Bath & Beyond. They came in a set of 2, so we got 4 of them. So we have different oils that we use, and then in the very back, the orange one is popcorn butter, because guys, we love our popcorn here in Texas. Okay, next let's talk about organizing with bins. So these bins I got from the Container Store in this really cool bamboo wicker look. It's in a herringbone pattern. I love it. So I put these little labels on here with the Chocator transfers as well, and these little tags I picked up from Walmart, a 12-pack. I think it was like $1.50. So inside the candy one, we have different pieces of candy that we have picked up and probably don't need, and then in the middle one it says recipe, and that one is filled with like hamburger helper and different box meals and ramen noodles. God, guys, I love ramen noodles. And then in the right one, it actually has crackers, wheat thins, and then some more popcorn, because James is obsessed with popcorn. Now below the bins we have baskets. Now with the baskets, I wanted to find a way to organize our plastic drinks, because we have bottled water, tea, Gatorades, and all those plastic containers that they come in aren't that cute. So I found these at Home, and I love them because they look like tobacco baskets, but it basically just has, like I said, Gatorade, different types of water and green tea, but they're a great storage solution, and also you could pull them out, fill them up, and then just put them at the bottom of your cabinet. So lastly, I have one more basket up top, which is our chip basket. So it has various chip bags just because I didn't want to see them when I opened the pantry, and also it's on the top shelf to keep it away from us. Now I did pick up this pitcher from At Home for $9.99, and it holds like all of our mixes, like taco mixes, soup mixes, and various other mixes. Okay guys, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite storage solution was. If you're interested in any of the products shown in this video or the Chocator products, I will have links down below in the video description box. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and until next time, bye guys!